y'all something here. See my sky? See my clouds? Now, it is currently 64 degrees out here. Feel good. And the weather station showing that we got a little wind blowing. But supposedly tomorrow we're gonna have snow starting tonight. Actually, like I said, it's 64 degrees. You can come out with shorts, flip flops, tank tops, whatever you want. But I'm itching to see what this backyard gonna look like with snow on it. I ain't gonna put up on none of that stuff either. I'm gonna let it all just stay there. Get snow on it. I ain't seen this place with snow on it yet. So I'm just wondering what my backyard gonna look like with snow on it. Neighbor, she just got her new roof. I'm gonna have to get them, what she got, them burglar bars. I'm gonna get me some of them. When I go out of town, I feel a little bit better. And I'm gonna have to get this big gas tank right here for my generator, since we ain't got natural gas over here. But check back with you tomorrow on this sky and on this ground in this yard. It's like 6 a.m. the next morning. A little accumulation going on. Not much of nothing. That's a beast right there. There it is. There it is. A day of snow. This is how it look in Mississippi after it snowed. Don't that look strange, y'all? You got a field, and then you got a glass building thrown off in the middle. Actuality, that building belongs to that building. That there is Howard Industries, which is like, they do like transformers. No, not the transformers on the movies. I know the building big enough, but they do transformers like for your electrical poles, which is that with that right there. They got another in law that do the small one that go on top pole. But that building right there, they do like the computers. And they got another one which is Howard Trucking. Then they got another one which is Howard Ballast. It's a lot of it. Now that place there, that used to be GE Aviation. Aviation, however you want to call it. Now it's that place, which is, I think they merged or something. I don't know. I ain't quite for sure. A lot of people around Mississippi say there ain't no jobs. There's jobs all over. Just people don't want the job. All right, all right, all right. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? They don't want the job. They ain't paying what they want to pay. They ain't got the hours they want. There's always something. You get out there and you can find a job. Especially like I tell people here in Mississippi that got a job, they go to complain about something, the first thing I tell them, especially my guys over in my little spot, go to complain, I say, you know the chicken plant hiring every day. We got so many chicken plants around here, you know, they hiring every day, all day, firing every day, all day. And then after a while, you can go back to the chicken plant. Ain't that something? They'll keep taking you back. So, you know, there's abundance of jobs around here in Hattiesburg and Ellisville and surrounding areas, you know. place right here, which is not really a little place. That's like a what do you call it? How can I put it to not offend nobody? It's called, you'll think it's a college if you didn't know no better. It's called Ellisville State School, which is not no damn college. It is not no school. That there is actually like I think you call it for mental peoples. That's how I can put it, mental peoples. They live over there. And the only thing bad about that place, if you want to look at it that way, is they only get paid once a month. You gotta pay all your bills at one time. See y'all later at home.
That was slipping into darkness. Right.
There it is, that water.
Yep, yeah. And as a matter of fact,
Mississippi.
Yeah, rock this funky joint.
Heading home.
I actually take the sample sessions with Boar. Some of you guys will
missed that sign.
And I talk about Boar. They're
up on that forward grind to the house.
Cali.
Go ahead and get this food down, man.
Their first few records, like
that
just
pre-workout food. Then I just picked up dinner. They got all that up in this place. What a rustic looking place. That's the east side over there.
6-month anniversary.
Right.
That's bullshit.
Yeah.
That's not an expectation. You're sabotaging your relationship, or you don't want to be in it.
Right.
You know what I mean? So
I just
gas going back up.
That's a good distinction.
I just don't want people to get caught up in that and like fucking sabotage shit with these wild expectations. And I think I like the.
But what expectation is wild? Expectations are our dreams,
agree.
our hopes.
There it is.
You know,
And then they're
I still gotta take y'all into these apartment complexes. I need to go in there myself. I want to see what they look like. I ain't been in there yet. Not those, these right here, whatever them cottages or whatever you want to call them.
but I definitely
I mean, I want to go there myself. But let's go eat. Like always, waiting on her.
He trying to start some mess.
I got it now. I beat you with the light, didn't I? Let me smell your neck.
No, slimy me.
Why not? Be what?
Because. Here, Papa.
I thought you threw that in the trash. You done tore it up, huh? Now, Boogie.
It was in my drawer.
Granddaddy hid it, huh?
Give me that thing. Why do I have this big?
Why'd you bring it in here for?
I didn't bring that ketchup in.
Who got it?
Don't play me. I didn't bring
What you looking at?
So I'm looking at you with my big eyes.
You want some steak and potatoes, Boogie? Nah, still don't see me.
Whoa!
Ain't no cereal now. You mean to scare you?
Here.
You mean to scare you, Boogie? Gotta save that for later. Scare you.
What is this? Look at him. He done got out of workout today. He got out of workout.
Let's go together now. It ain't all
I'm just
yours.
seeing what it was. Damn.
Get some.
You got fries and potato salad.
Dip 'em. Huh.
Go on, see what this is. What is that? Roast beef?
Alligator. Lizard.
Ew.
Papa.
She said her bad. Say my bad.
Nasty ass.
Say my bad.
Yeah, it is. I agree with you 100,000%. Now I'm gonna wake up tomorrow, green shit in my eyes. Every time. That's sausage.
Yeah, let me get another one of these fishes.
You gonna get all the fish?
3 pieces. Hell, I thought that was
Man, it's tearing
shrimp.
apart.
What
You
is
thought it
that?
was a shrimp head.
When it was all over there.
That's brisket or something. And real.
It's a dog.
That's brisket, I think, and this is real. And sausages. And what y'all say, okra.
You ain't bring her no plate.
And she better eat what's over here. If she don't, she SOL.
Yeah.
And some smoked wings.
You gonna be SOL Boogie?
No.
Yes, you will.
Let me go get her something. She'll pass.
Man, can't she eat a little later? She wasn't in the business of eating beforehand.
Shut up. Let me get this one
Let
down.
you go ahead and let's get business started. You know, you playing.
And get one sausage.
People already playing. You ain't finna work this anyway. You finna go in the trash. People over in Africa starving. Now what am I supposed to put my size at? Ain't no spoon in here? Ain't no spoon. What? Yeah, I got it.
I don't want to eat no brisket shit.
Oh man.
Why not eat some brisket?
Potato salad, man. I ain't got nothing but stuff on here. Stuff.
Cause I'm gonna eat all this okra.
That's what's wrong with y'all now. Y'all crazy.
What are you
You
talking
don't
about?
specify to eat all the okra instead of eating some of everything.
You gonna eat all the damn.
I ain't eating all the damn nothing.
You gonna eat everything
I'm
else.
mixing everything like slop. Slop light. They don't like how this coleslaw looks.
I don't eat it.
It's too grounded.
I don't like that potato salad. It's so yellow. It's like super yellow.
Let's see. It ain't mustardy though. Right.
Let me see. What we supposed to do? Split that piece of roll?
She can eat the roll. How about that?
I don't know.
I said she can eat the roll.
Better give her half of it. You know how she is.
She'll eat some bread.
That's what's wrong with her.
What's wrong with her is the grandparenting.
Will you shut up?
Oh, you just determined to take my damn clock up, ain't you?
She must do that.
You know what I told you about blaming a baby?
I didn't do that.
Now, I was talking to Ramon
I
yesterday.
didn't do
And
it.
I was telling him about how people, grown people be blaming children.
Ugh. Yay, this is.
Hey,
That's bread.
you just smoke wing like if I put some sausage on it. Plain sauce. This is not Dickie's barbecue.
I'm saying
So don't go
potato
get twisted.
salad. Get some salt.
There's salt right there. Shake it like a salt shaker.
While you making your workout, I was just looking at these two people on the side edition. This woman was stuck in between them.
Well, we can quit working.
She
Worry about my
talking
workout.
about she was getting squished,
Huh?
and that's because she had another seat.
I told you to quit.
Then
Worry
she
about my
got
workout.
She got up. She was like, somebody told her she was disgusting, and she said, "You try sitting between them two fat pigs." You working out today?
I told you to quit worrying about my workout.
No. You didn't get that hush puppy. It's actually alright. It looked deceiving. See, I got corn.
That's why I was looking at the corn popping out the side of it. So it's actually a true corn instead of just cornmeal.
It got corn in it. What I'm gonna do her smack me.
Why?
Let me drink this beer so I can go get on my pattern.
I gotta go out here and grab a pipe.
For what? It ain't
Come on,
gonna snow.
Snow ain't what bust pipes.
I know.
Cold is what bust pipe.
I just can't eat no more of that.
What's that? That potato salad?
That shit is nasty.
No, it ain't nasty.
It's nasty.
It ain't good. You know what it tastes like? Potato. That's what it tastes like. Potato.
A lot of people that didn't work today, like you talking about ate up food and stuff,
Potato food stamps.
who ate up food. I know some people got drunk early today. With me.
Who?
I know some people.
Here we go.
About, I think 1 o'clock, they were drunk.
No, you don't. Who?
Don't worry about who.
You know mostly dope heads.
Really?
And that potato, I mean, the coleslaw was disgusting to me.
It's disgusting, but you still eat it. Oh hell, let me get some of these fries since I can't eat no.
It had a better thickness to it. I had changed my mind totally now.
About working out?
No, I used to want to, I ain't never working out no more.
You heard it
I don't think
first.
so. I don't think I am.
You heard it first.
Don't y'all feel like that when people be bothering you about something? It make you don't want to do something?
Well, don't be bothered about what I'ma cook. We only be 5 hours into the day. What we eating? They're like, hell, I don't know. You ain't even ate lunch yet.
Don't believe the hype. She told me today, make sure you call me now and let me know what you want to eat by 12 o'clock.
I said if I was at work.
You did not. I was talking to you on the phone.
I said when I be at work.
You told me to call you today.
This kid.
You know what I'm saying? I got totally thrown off from wanting to go eat this buffet at this place. Sit down. Cause it ain't worth no $14 buffet.
I thought it was 17.
I thought it was 12.
No, I thought it was at least 17.
No, I thought it was 12. It used to be 12. Just like this here, it just went up.
They just ain't good like they used to be.
I think these were $13.99 a piece.
Don't none beat the Dickies.
All your family eat like that.
You just know something like that.
Yes, I have. She has never ate like that. I don't want you around to tell you like that. Sound like that. That's disgusting and it makes my stomach hurt. Then you got one that do it, that try to be good. You want proper, and next thing you know, you. It's the best thing in that box.
Damn, really?
Oh, yeah. What's a new can wood? It's alright.
You want
I wouldn't want it with no recipes though. But just to eat right out. Or on
Tell you
some
like that
bread.
school shit, huh? What y'all do on a snow day?
When you flat. Well, you ain't your flat, you
I
got
got one.
Some of the people watching this, they from up north. They was at work on a snow day. People like her, it started sleeting. Y'all see the video. Y'all seen it. It started sleeting. They off. Look out right now, it's 60 degrees outside.
You mean my job? I have gone to school in the snow. And tennis shoes.
Man, that was before I was born. Was big.
We had the real snow boots.
We had to walk 10 miles in the
No,
snow.
I ain't gonna say all that. I ain't never ride a school bus until I came down here.
Man, I tell you. This
It do, cause I just noticed the fish tastes fishy. I'm gonna have to put hot sauce.
it don't taste fishy to me, it tastes dirty. It tastes like it come out actual
Shut
the
up.
river.
Shut up.
No, for real, it tastes like it come out the river. It didn't come out no form. Cause you can taste that dirt.
But you can't bite in your front tooth. Never tooth again.
That's your family. They are disgusting.
You gonna leave my baby out.
Man, that
You
dirt.
try to decide what you want to eat.
I don't know. You want a dirt fish.
Fish don't have feathers.
This fish got feathers on it. See, that's that bottom piece too, you know, got that dirt layer on, that black layer. You can neatly pack this up in one plate, feed to your daughter.
You might put some hot sauce on that.
Best thing was that sausage and
Yeah,
that
I'm still at
Keystone.
active side. Let me see.
But that's all I'm eating today. Eating nothing else.
You make him know I ain't eating it there.
I ain't having one drum.
There's another piece of chicken.
That's a flat.
So,
I don't want that shit.
eat that real.
I don't want that. I'll play over it.
You play with damn near everything you eat, except red beans. I'm about full.
I know. So you gonna screw this over.
I ate what I had on my plate.
That wasn't nothing.
It was enough.
You ain't ate that. You eating fillers like fries.
I ate with sausage. I ate like 2-3 pieces of fish.
There wasn't no sausage.
I didn't eat that sausage.
You act like it was a sausage. That was just a chunk of meat. That's all it was.
Let me go and eat this.
You better dip it in something.
Damn, is that bad? Damn.
I don't like smoked stuff that don't have no seasoning on. Just cause it's smoke, man, I don't mean nothing.
How was that? What was that y'all cooked that?
I didn't eat shit.
What is
I went to McDonald's.
You done say you ain't eat nothing.
I'm talking about that.
It is 4 hours, 30 minutes.
Told you I don't like nothing that's smoked and ain't got no flavor. You just eating smoked meat. Gotta have some flavor fused in. It can't just be smoked.
It is 4 hours, 30 minutes.
Ah. The bills don't hit now. Coors Brewing Company. They really did that.
Why you don't drink Coolers no more?
I really never drunk Coors. That was hilarious. I hardly ever. I don't think I even never drunk a regular Coors.
What you mean a regular?
Coors.
What color can is that?
Brown.
Oh, what color is the old can?
It's not gold.
Y'all.
It's not gold. It's brown or
I see
beige.
yellow.
It's not
it?
brown
Take
or beige.
Obama.
Like coffee with cream in it.
I don't remember that can.
Man, shucks.
I know I just made
It
you
was
eat
calling me.
I wouldn't pay for it either.
Your people so deep on dry.
My people don't live here. I keep telling you this. Eat the bone marrow, Uncle Larry.
This got mixed over. Could have just got one plate, huh? Then have been done. I said this is enough to make a whole other plate. Well.
Yeah, but I gotta go get some hot sauce.
I tell you what I'm finna do.
What you finna do? Hey, drink barbecue sauce.
You did 10 o'clock. What's it going on 5 o'clock?
It's going on 5.
Okay, I thought it was going on 4:30. I did do it.
Wow.
Yeah. Man, get your pony. Go ahead and put a little barbecue sauce on it.
I already here. You saw
Okay.
that plate.
I was checking.
You saw it.
Let's I bet she gonna say I'm talking about her.
Want
Watch.
some of this hot
I
sauce?
know her real good. She gonna say, watch, she'll say, I'm talking about, I heard you. Watch.
Go ahead, finish saying what you were saying.
What you talking about?
Whatever you was all there whispering.
Why you say I was whispering?
You weren't talking loud and hear you talking in here. What was this supposed to be? Tartar sauce?
Yeah. Tartar sauce. She knew damn well it's supposed to be tartar sauce. I bet she tried this one in the corner. What? What you peeking for?
I don't know.
I think I'm talking about her. It's called, I forgot the word for it. Paranoia.
Man, you gonna take your fat ass and then go work out.
She gonna talk about me with all them dimples in her butt.
I had them all my life.
Somebody go in the comment section and tell me you like dimples and butts.
Really?
Would you rather have dimples in butt or tiger stripes on women?
Well, it's real now.
Tiger stripes or dimples? Or a little bit of both?
What the hell is a tiger stripe?
Stretch marks.
Really?
That's sexy as hell.
Really, nigga?
Oh, okay.
I said on butt.
No, you didn't specify.
Yes, I did. You better go back and rewind it.
You didn't specify.
I'm specifying now. Ready for that close up. Well, that's it. Sis Ike. She want that close up, dog.
Tell them both say, go on, Papa.
She ain't studying you. Anybody want that hairstyle, she'll do it for you. For little nothing, probably about $20.
Like hell.
So get down in the comment section, say I want that hairstyle, $20. Predator ain't got nothing on her. That wasn't Predator, that was the Ring. Oh, you got a little bit of tiger stripe going on. Let me see if I can get that on camera.
Oh, you better go on now.
What? It is funny.
It's not funny.
It is funny. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Tell me again, but it's not funny.
All right, you covering up because your bush your teeth is out, ain't you?